my
You
God.
want to be able to tighten it some more just in case it leaks, okay?
What?
You want to be able to tighten it some more in case it leaks. You don't get it real tight.
Huh. I guess you got it wrong. This big one on top.
Yep. Big one on top.
Yeah, but you put it on the bottom.
It goes like this.
Yeah, right. Just this for the floor.
Don't forget this thing right here.
I know. Is this one going up?
I had it set up for you. Big one goes on first.
Yeah. And
That goes in last. This one here. Or no, this one.
that way.
You sure you got this one right? With the bevel going down in there.
Went up.
Yep, that's good. Get it right.
But this knot is not fitting in top here.
This will fit on the top one, and this will fit in the bottom one.
So it's going like that?
Yeah.
Okay, this is so.
Once you get the top one started, okay. You're on the top one? Okay. Nice job, Jesse. Big one goes. It goes this one here. Maybe it's this one.
Thank you very much.
Not real tight. Not real tight. Just snug it down good. water on it, see what happens.
See that one?
Turn it all the way, see what happens. Is there a net behind it?
Is that not? That's the problem. Yeah, on the knot. Where's the screw since?
Let me look at it a second.